Hello there. Ever wondered how you can create a scanner light in 3D like this? In this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate exactly the steps to create something like that, or at least showing you one of the methods to do so. Alright, here we go. You can see here this is the light that I have, and this is the effect that it's creating. So the first thing is basically creating a plane and then creating a light, and I'm going to direct that light in a way that I can see the effect of it, and then I'm going to click 7 on the keyboard so I get to see exactly what it looks like. And then I'm going to go into the Arnold section and I'm going to add a light gobo effect to it. Then on that light gobo, I'm going to apply a ramp texture that looks like this. When I limit the white area between those black lights or black colors, I get to have that thin bar that would basically function like the typical scanning beam that we usually see. Then I'm gonna go to the render settings, and inside the Arnold renderer there is this section for environment. I'm going to click on the checker box and I'm going to add atmosphere volume. And once I apply that atmospheric volume, I am going to get that pathway of that beam, so it wouldn't just look like a stripe of light, but rather I get to see the path of it. And if you want to have a deeper understanding of how the atmospheric volume works, I'm going to add a link for my other video that has in details how we can work out the atmospheric volume in Arnold in Maya. Then after that, I'm going to adjust the density, and I'm going to change the color of the light to red, as you can see here. And lastly, I'm going to go back to the ramp texture and tweak it a little bit for a nicer look.